that I'm gonna clean today. What you're gonna need is 4 limbs and a bucket. Alright? So this is how nasty they are. Look. This. I think this is for me. Do you think this is black right? Look at this shit. Wait, these are not in. Look, these are not those. This is a good example. Look at this shit. Look at this. It's fucked. You see? It's like, that's nasty. Look at it. It's all from break this. We gotta clean that shit today. That shit's must as hell. Let's get this shit going. I wanna finish the shirt. Alright, let's go. I need some water and some soap. This one. This. That's probably done. A little bit, not a lot. Then you're gonna need a rag. I know you guys know how to clean toilet, right? I don't even know. Alright, tires are all done. Look at all this mess. It's like from the back of the rim, like brake dust. That's nasty. Look at how color that is. Look at the rags. I use this one to clean the back part of it. To like, oh, you can see it in the video. It's like kind of this one. No, the one that I got wet was in there. This one I like dried it off with. And look at this shit. Come on, good. Look at that. They're even shiny in this bit. In the back part, like we scrape off the brake dust. Like, look, see that? They're scraped. They're shiny as fuck now. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah. Tires are all done now. All I gotta do is put them back in their spot. And these tires are, if I can, cause I don't remember saying it, but these tires are for the EG. Then my brother's girlfriend's car. But yeah. Put this over here and throw it in the garbage. But yeah, so as I was saying, these are for the Eugene. What was what I was saying? I lost what I was saying. Look, I'm dirty as fuck. Damn, these really had a lot of brake dust on it. Well, yeah, I think I'm gonna start daily uploading at this point. Cause like, I low-key enjoy daily uploading. It's pretty fun. Like, it's not fun editing, you know, but it's fun, like, doing it, you know. I enjoy doing it, but like, the worst part of cleaning these rims are that I have to clean up now. I would leave that to my brother, but he's a lazy ass bitch, so he can't. He wouldn't even do this shit. Well, let me pick up the camera after I'm done cleaning. All right. Wheels are in its place. We're all done now. Got my hands are clean. Gotta take a shower now, but hope you enjoyed. Click a fat like if you, that will help us out a lot, and subscribe if you're new and you like our content. Make sure to like and subscribe, and peace.